am doing an unboxing today from Louis Vuitton, and it is their Neverfull tote in the new collection, which is the Escale. I have it here. I'm in Australia, so let's open this baby up. The receipt is in here also. It's in the pastel pink colour. I believe it went on sale here in Perth, Australia on Friday last week. I'll try and figure out what that date was. And it's already sold out online in Australia in the pastel pink 1 week later. So here we go. I'll open this up for us. I haven't opened it yet. I've kept it aside for a full week. So here we go. The sales assistant very kindly gave me this book as well, obviously to tempt me with more purchases. Okay, so this is in the MM size of the Neverfull, coming in the dust bag here. Well, this is a little bit exciting. They did have the blue and the red available as well, but I just made a beeline and went for this one. So let's have a closer look at it. Here we have the clasp. We'll just open that up, and the leather trim handles there. With the sides, we've got the oversized LV monogram. This is in their tie-dye, and on the back looks like this. I guess you can choose which side that you want to wear it. And inside we have the little pouch. I don't know where this one is made. I'm just having a quick look now. This one is made in Spain. They had another one in the store as well that was on display, and I did note that that one was also made in Spain. So you've got the inside pouch as well, and then this one with the D ring that's connected. I'll just untangle that. So it's in, we've got this in there. Oops. And this is also made in Spain. It's got two sides there with the smaller miniature LV monogram, and it's a cute little zipper. So I guess if you attach this to here, got a little wristlet going on. So that's quite cute. And the zipper compartment there. Also cute little zipper. And I guess If you wanted to lock anything away, you could. But I'll just put this on for you to see. So, got it on the side. And we've got this side as well. Don't mind me adjusting my clothes. It's actually, I am very short stature. I'm only 152 centimeters, and you can see that it actually is not too big. Well, I don't think it's too big. I think it's great just to be able to open it up and reach inside for things. So there you go. Love it. It's so pretty. Okay.